Hi guys, I just updated ArcoLinux Nemesis GitHub here. I've added the video to it. What is ArcoLinux Nemesis exactly? Yes, you can use it to install anything, right? Even Debian or RPM based, so Fedora, etc. So it's more than just Arch. It's more than ArcoLinux, right? It's more than Arch, and it's more than just, it can be anything basically. Anything you set your mind to, and then you use a script. But as you can see here, I have nothing about AlmaLinux, so I've tested it out, played with it, but did not record a video for it. So I would like to have a link here, and that's why we're here. Super F7, AlmaLinux, it's in, it's downloaded, let's boot. Test this, install, yeah, just install, right? We are bleeding again, right? Something we recognize from the Arch. So AlmaLinux, have a look. I'll put the link underneath the video, what it's all about. The website can tell you more than I can, but let's just get it started and have fun with it. And then the point of always this ArcoLinux Nemesis script is take control, take control, take control. Okay. So the language should be English for me, right? I would say United States, so that's good. Continue. And then we get this. The keyboard, he makes the wrong assumption, right? That's not okay. Can I do a minus? I can. Belgian. Ouch. I think it's gonna be this one, but I'm not sure. In other distros, it's not called French, right? But I definitely need Azerty, but here often it goes wrong. But in my case, it's all right. All these special things are correct. Done. Time and date, Euro Brussels, that's good. Launch software GUI, we need to do this. Root account is disabled. That would be a problem, right? Let's get the root account in. All the rest is not important for me. Done. Too short, he says. Press done again to use the password anyway. Yes, I'm happy. So I'll make this administrator account. Yes. And then confirm. There's also an advanced. What's that? We can do all kinds of things, but 1000 is good. So we have some more flexibility. Press done again. Bad password. And this, I don't think I need to go in there, but just have a look. Automatic partition is selected, so that's exactly what I want. So automatic, additional space, custom maybe, right? Automatic, encrypt data or not. So I won't do anything. I'm always the guy that says, just use the automatic partition tool, right? No issues. And then we are waiting. Maybe a good way to have a look at that particular moment in time. AlmaLinux, what's that about? Forever free enterprise grade operating system. So I've used the download button. We're busy with the installer here. Open source, community driven Linux operating system. Discontinuation of CentOS Linux. Enterprise Linux distro, binary compatible with Red Hat, and guided and built by the community. They're getting 1M. I don't know what that is. Is that a million? Is that a... Anyway, it's more than us. We're getting annual sponsorship from Cloud Linux. Great. Good for them. Ongoing development effects are governed by the members of the community. Get some images, cloud images, container. I mean, there's a lot of stuff, right? A lot of stuff you can get, right? Even on Windows we can get it. No, thank you. So a little support here, as you can see. And you just keep reading, right? Just keep reading. Why did we call it Alma? Alma means soul in Spanish and other Latin languages. The soul of Linux. Voila, that's why. Protection to the future, to 2021. So the goal is anyway to stay free operating system and open. And for those guys who are on CentOS, you can do a migration. But guys, any distro, right? Clean install is always best, always best. Let's have a look at the shop. Interested? Let's shop. Clothing, t-shirts. We have also a shop, that's why I'm looking. Right? It is a nice logo, right? Beautiful logo. That looks interesting, funny. I hate being sexy. What does it say? Sysadmin, so I can't help it. Ah, there it is. But I am a sysadmin, so I can't help. Alright. In the meantime, we still need to spend some time on that website. Maybe we should stop shopping and go back. Fun as it is. Let's read a little bit in their blog, October 30th. This is Linux, right? Lego. Choose whatever you want and play with it. This is adult stuff. Lego box. Kitten. What's Kitten? Continue reading. Since the beginning. Alright, so we're excited to share we successfully built a preview OS 10 that we're calling AlmaLinux OS Kitten 11. Kitten 10, sorry. Let's read this. What is different? It's not AlmaLinux Stream. And here's our release notes. Choices, right? If you make distros, you need to make choices. What will we use? What kernel will we take? The keys, the repos, the packages. And off you go. In the meantime, we're gonna pause, right? And wait for the installation to finish. Is that the microcode no arch thing? And I guess my advice to you, if you want to know about AlmaLinux, keep reading, right? As a migrate, contribute, to download, and some places you could explore. GitHub being interesting, probably. If you see something, often people ask something about wallpapers, right? They're all there. Just go and have a look. Where can I find a wallpaper? Maybe they give it different names, background or something. Voila, there we go, right? I did not check it. I just tested. But this is not the wallpapers as such, desktop. So that's something else. But anyway, right? It's gonna be in here somewhere in a package. But there's so much more you could get and grab from the internet. 72 repositories. So where are the mirrors? Those are things that interest me, right? Where are the mirrors? So voila, there we go, mirrors.d, and we're at vault, etc, etc, etc. You will find your information here. This is the GitHub. Here we have a build system. What's that? Is that building ISOs? Is it something else? Figure it out. Read, right? Enfin, let's just wait. Oh, yeah, baby. We can go ahead. A reboot system. And we're on VirtualBox, the last version on Arch. November 2024. And we already know what we're getting if you see this screen, right? There was no choice. Tick, 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 tick. Voila, done. Control F. Control F. It's gonna be, we can log out and see what we're on. Why am I doing that? Here you are. I don't want to know if I'm on Wayland or not, right? This is VirtualBox, so watch out. That's the button. So we're on standard Wayland display server. Just to be safe, maybe, right? Standard X11 display, since we are using a virtual machine. And off we go. Settings. The screen, the screen. Where is my screen? Displays. That's not nice. Apply. Let's keep the changes around. Voila. So this concludes the first video. I'm gonna, well, no. Yeah, okay. Well, I should update, right? Before I make a clone from this. Ctrl-Alt-T. Nothing happens. Super T, nothing happens. Super Enter, Super Shift Enter, Control Alt Enter, Control Alt T, whatever, right? No key bindings. So terminal. I need to figure out how to update. Is there a browser? Yes, there is. How do I update in this particular system? AlmaLinux, how to update. Accept everything, how to update, let's see. Yum clean all minus you. All right, let's yum. So yum update minus yes. Oh, yum update minus yes. Can we make this bigger? Bigger. Yep, that's it. This command has to be run as super user. I'm root, right? And then we'll shut it down if it's all up to date, and then we clone it, and then we play around with the ArcoLinux Nemesis script. That should be the workflow, right? Install, update. Maybe you can get already the Git clone from Eric Dubois, or your own clone, of course. Fork my project, change anything you like. 600 megabyte already, 700, probably going for the 900. Voila. We need some keys, so just so you know, right, keys are everywhere, and if they can't be imported, you have an issue. You have to figure out how to import keys on Ubuntu, on Arch, anywhere. If all is well, as you see, it's done automatically. That's the thing, right? If all is well. Let's, I wanted to pause the video, but actually you should look at all these texts and wonder what are these applications, what is OpenSSH, what is IP tables, what is grub, Flatpak here, what is Flatpak. So there's a lot to learn if you're the first day on Linux. There really is a lot to learn. Cups is about printing. Keyring is something to save your keys into, password and all that. Protection or security, right? So a lot of names are in systemd. Know what systemd is. ArchWiki systemd. We didn't do an ArcoLinux, but on right? Anything AlmaLinux. Hopefully there are ways to help you. I don't know, to assist you. AlmaLinux wiki or something. Is there something? Yes, we have a wiki, and you have to go through it. I really can say I've read every single page on Arch, right? Not once, really not once. I can't put a number in, right? But many, many, many times. Here's documentation. The facts, right? Read the facts. Read at least this. Can I do X, Y, Z with AlmaLinux? Yeah, you can do that with an Linux distribution, right? That's the ArcoLinux Nemesis script. I want to do X, Y, Z to any distro. So read, right? So where are we at this point in time? Scrolling. Samba is there as well. It's installed. Microcode, we know the drill. ArchWiki microcode. Right? Go and type it in. Any question you have, go type it in. And these days we have AI. Ask AI what it is. Okay. Firefox, there he is. New Firefox, yay. ArchWiki microcode, that one. And you read. A lot of text, a lot of information, and it's technical. That's okay. You reread it, and each time you reread it, you get more things you understand, more things, well, you get, right? That's cool. That's it for me, although Eric, why not create already a folder called data. Hopefully Git is installed, and probably it's not, right? Git, command not found. Install package git core to provide a command. Yes, please. Right. Yum. Yep. Did not do yes. I need to actually say yes. And then we say git clone https github.com. Whoa, no spaces. Eric Dubois, my name. Project ArcoLinux Nemesis. It's actually a bunch of scripts just for Linux. No longer for ArcoLinux, no longer for ArcoLinux, but for a lot more. So in the next video we'll run the script, but first what we're gonna do, that's a workflow thing. We're gonna power off, and that's the fun with virtual machines. We clone this thing and we play on the clone, right? We mess it up. That's the point. We mess it up and say, okay, that was not working. Then you remove this thing again and you clone it again, right? And again you run your scripts and say, okay, it's better that I do this, it's better to do that. You make your decisions each time you do a new clone. If each time you test your scripts again and again, it improves over years, right? So there we go, ready to make the other video. Next video is let's run the script, see what happens, AlmaLinux, and improve.